students, welcome to another day of class. Today in our language class, we are going to learn about address envelope. But today is Monday, July 27, 2020. So we are going to work today in book page 71. Look for your language book in page 71, please. Here I have it. Okay, so today we are going to work with a correctly addressed envelope. So, when you are sending a letter, you always write the address, your information and the address. Your information and your address. Here, for example, says David Barton, 720 Elena St. and Lyons, Colorado. And there is a number which is a code. So, the address of the person sending the letter is upper left hand. It's left hand, not in the right side. It's in the left side. And in the middle, here, in this part, the address of the person who is receiving the letter. So, in the left hand or in the left corner, you are going to write your information and your address. And in the middle, you are going to write the address of the person who is receiving the letter. And here, in the right side, in the other corner, in the right side, we paste a stamp. This is called a stamp. So, before to work in page 71, please, I need you to write the date in your notebook. So please, copy today's date in your notebook first. After you finish to copy the date, you're going to copy some abbreviations. Address abbreviations. Why do we need the abbreviations? To make short a word. For example, avenue, AVE. That's the abbreviation. Street, ST. Road, RD. So those are abbreviations. Please copy the abbreviations in your notebook. After you finish with the abbreviations, we are going to work on page 71 with this exercise. So, in your book, you have a square, right? An envelope, a supposedly envelope. So, here, you're going to write your name, not my name. My name is Miley. But you're going to write your name. For example, Emily, one name and one last name. My name is Miley and my last name is Garcia. So, Emily Rosales, for example, or Ana Ramirez. Then you're going to write your address. You're going to copy this address that I have here. Vamos a copiar esta dirección que yo tengo aquí. West Spring, ST. Nashville, Tennessee. And this code. This number is a code. Here, in those lines. Then, in the middle, in the lines that you have in the middle, you're going to write Dr. John Wilhelm is the person to who you are writing the letter. The person. Then, you're going to write 817 Glenview, LN. Is the street where the doctor lives. And then, Phoenix, Arizona is the place where the doctor lives. And at the end, you are going to drop a stamp and you are going to create your own stamp. you're going to color your own stamp. In this square, this one, you are going to draw your own stamp. Here I have some examples. Don't forget it. The sender's name and address. The person who is sending the letter. And in the middle, the name of the person who is receiving the letter. Then in the other corner, the stamp. And here I have some examples of stamps. Those are ideas of stamp, but you can create your own stamp. Pueden crear su propia estampilla. Create your own stamp. Those are just ideas. Estas solo son ideas. So you're going to draw here your own stamp. And that's everything what you have to do. That was everything for today. See you until tomorrow. Please stay careful and bye-bye.